Good morning everyone, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Performance and 4x4 introducing you to our stunning new into stock 2020 Porsche Turbo S. This is a stunning high-spec four-wheel drive example and it comes with the most important thing, Porsche approved warranty until 2026. Full Porsche service history, and as you can see, this one stands out from the crowd. It's got a great spec. Maxton design, front splitter, side skirts and rear splitter. It looks super smart. This one has one of the best specs we've ever seen, finished in black, all black, diamond cut alloys, yellow brake calipers, and it's in beautiful condition. Privacy glass. You've got the Decorative 911 Turbo S badging on the side. I think the body kit just makes it look really mean. It stands out from the rest on Auto Trader, that is for sure. Porsche design across the bonnet as well. Full front end PPF that was installed from Porsche directly. Unmarked alloys, great condition. As you can see, I've got the lovely sliding pano open. Another really important bit of spec when it comes to reselling these. This one has pretty much got everything I can think of, including the Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus as well. It's got smoked tail lights, exclusive design tail lights, black badges. That's the model designation badge, but then the Porsche badges are in silver. This car has been absolutely cherished and looked after, and it's ready to go to its next owner. These are 20-inch alloys. They're the 911 Turbo S exclusive design alloys. They really suit the car, especially with the yellow brake calipers. I think it looks super smart. In terms of the bodywork on the car, it's all in great condition. Of course, as the front end PPF from Porsche, so you wouldn't expect anything less. We would always recommend getting a machine polish of the car prior to collection, and our Dion Quartz ceramic coat, which we do have a special one that goes over PPF, which we'd highly recommend just to perfect the paint on this car and polish out any tiny marks, but it looks absolutely fantastic either way. Let me show you the interior. 2 keys, of course, all the book packs present and correct. You've got carbon, what are they called? Door sills, fully electric memory seats, Bose upgraded surround sound system, beautiful Turbo S perforated black seats as well. This is the interior, carbon fibre on the steering wheel. You can see there the mileage. This car has been very well cared for inside as well as outside. Porsche carpet mats, of course. Let me turn it on for you. And it sounds absolutely fantastic. As you can hear, it is beautiful. Got your rev counter in white, plenty of spec in terms of the interior as well. It actually has front axle lift, which not many of them do have. I'll put it back down because it doesn't look very nice in videos when it's left up. Heated steering wheel, so the heated button is hidden just in here. Plenty of spec, different driving modes. These are the adaptive sports seats. 18-way adaptive sports seats. Power steering plus. You've got the PDCC. Heated seat button, your pan roof with sliding sliding, what am I trying to say? Sliding blind. fantastic. So these are the Porsche ceramic brakes, finished in yellow, which is another expensive option. We've got 360 cameras, gloss black window surrounds, mirror caps. Interior wise as well, you've got sport chronos, which is the clock in the middle, that's finished in white, and the seat belts I think are in white or crayon. I think they're crayon actually, crayon grey, which match the stitching on the seats. So it's been very, very well put together, this car, and very well designed. Whoever spec'd it has done a very, very good job. In terms of the cameras, you've got park assist with 360 cameras. I'll just show you that. So you've got a bird's eye view as well as a reverse camera, and you can kind of switch to change however you like. All your usual things, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, etc. Sports exhaust, very, very important. Sounds absolutely fantastic. I wouldn't want one of these without a sports exhaust, that's for sure. So yeah, all your different apps on here, climate control, obviously air conditioning, lane keep assist, lane change assist, Porsche active safe, all your different apps. The interior is immaculate. Put the reef down for you. Perfect for summer. Alcantara headlining as well. Looks absolutely beautiful. Just give you one more little walk round. All the trims are finished in gloss black, so it all ties in together really nicely. And then those amazing yellow ceramic brakes that stand out so much against all the black. It just looks absolutely fantastic. The front lift, very important, especially with this Maxton kit on it. Will help you get around speed bumps without damaging the car. Parking sensor, of course, all your usual spec in that sense. So yeah, it's one of the nicest 911 Turbo S's we've ever had. If you would like any more info, you can email us at Kingsbridge Autos, info@kingsbridgeautos.co.uk. Head over to our website, click the WhatsApp button, or send us an email and we'll be more than happy to help. We have excellent rates in HP, LP, PCP, and we can source you finance for this car. We do take part exchanges as well, and if you do have any more questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We have new stock arriving every single day. We specialise in high performance, high spec, special colour combination cars. So if that's your thing, always head over to our website and have a regular checks on there and see if anything takes your fancy, and do get in touch. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.